Rheem is proud of the quality that goes into each one of our products. But as great as they are, issues do sometimes come up. With our Protection Plus Extended Service Agreement program, you can protect yourself from unexpected, non-budgeted repairs after the limited tank warranty expires. The Protection Plus Water Heater Kits from RPD is a 4-year limited tank warranty extension kit to be used for new Rheem family water heater installations. The kit contains a high-quality magnesium anode rod with a hot side plastic nipple, cold side plastic lined nipple, brass 3/4 inch to 1 inch adapter, the Protection Plus label to be placed on the water heater after installation, and installation instructions. Advantages of the Protection Plus kit include providing up to 135% additional unaudited protection, 2 warranty periods for your water heater, and trusted service. Receive the expertise and assistance of a Rheem independent pro for the duration of your agreement. You've invested in your comfort. Now invest in your peace of mind. Find a pro today to discuss coverage and installations.